If you use Evernote and want to back up your notes, move them to another app, or simply save a copy for safekeeping, this video is going to show you exactly how to export Evernote the easy way. Whether you want to export one note, an entire notebook, or multiple notes at once, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software how-tos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. This part is important because exporting is easiest and most reliable from the desktop version. Once Evernote is open, go to the notebook you want to export or select the specific note or notes you want to save. If you only need one note, click that note. If you want a whole collection, open the notebook so you can export everything inside it. Now look toward the upper right corner of the Evernote window and click the three dots menu. This is where Evernote keeps a lot of note options, including export. After the menu opens, choose Export. A new window will appear with export settings, and this is where you decide how you want your notes saved. Evernote usually gives you a couple of format options, and the best one depends on what you plan to do next. If you want a backup file or you plan to import your notes into another note-taking app later, ENEX is usually the best choice. ENEX keeps your note data in a format that works well for restoring or transferring content. If your goal is simply to view the notes in a browser or save them in a more readable web format, then HTML is the better option. HTML is especially useful if you just want easy access to the exported notes without opening Evernote. If you see additional options, you can also choose whether to include note attributes like tags, created date, and author. This is optional, but it can be useful if you want your export to preserve more of the original organization and metadata. After that, choose where you want to save the exported file on your computer. It's a good idea to pick a folder you'll remember, like Downloads, Desktop, or a specific backup folder, so you can find it quickly later. Once everything looks right, click Export. Evernote will begin creating the file, and depending on how many notes you selected, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Just wait for the process to finish, and once it does, your exported file will be saved in the location you selected. At that point, you can open it, move it, back it up, or import it into another app if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to export Evernote notes safely and quickly on desktop. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.